Eloe, nganong abot makas position D6, E4, H3, castle, knight F3, knight BD7, G4, E5. Pag D5, there's no need to play knight E8 for example. Knight E8, ayaw. Possible mangyapon siya. Pero ang recommended sa line, knight C5 para mapugo siya. Now, for example, bishop D3, nanagani B6. Oh. Na C6 is also possible. Pag G5, na knight E8. That is so possible. Nakapagani knight D7, with knight H5. So, basically, na to okay. For example, here, pag bishop D3, na-miss ni mo something, knight E8, bishop D3, C6 is also possible. Playable yapon siya. Basta ka importante, you know the drill. Bishop G5, you can already play Queen A5, Queen C7. Pero my bet is Queen A5. But be very careful and mindful. Bishop F6 is needed. Pag Bishop E3, capture. If knight takes D5, balik ang Bishop G7. And Queen D2, tanaw yung bishop po. Problema kayo. Knight C5. Yeah, it's still possible. Ang problema karon sa white is how to make his king safe. Muna yung problema sa white. Pero dili na nato na maabot, di na nato na ipaabot. Ang punto sa linya after E5, ipapugos nato siya D5. We're going to always play knight C5 whether you like it or not. Whether naka bishop E3 or not. Knight C5 pressure, pag queen C2 niya, then that's the time you're going to play C6. Ang importante is you have a counterplay and activity. The term is activity. But kinanlan ha, active ka tanan, do not be cautious all the time. Ang importante when you are preventing, ang unang choice nimo is counterplay or counteract. Then sunod na dayon, kung wala na dayon, always think of active defense and not passive defense. Alright?